Morning, my little sunshine. Hope you all are doing well. Over here, can you see a little activity? You have to count how many blocks are there. Quickly, you have to count. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, they are 7. Well done.
Excellent, my little champions. You have opened the page and you counted all the blocks very well. Now you got the point. Now next we have to do over here is that we have to count and write how many things are there in each group. In first group we have hot air balloons. In second group we have flags. And in third group we have balloons. So let's count in the first group how many hot air balloons are there. 1, 2, 3. Now hold your pencil tightly in your hands. Start from here. Make a curve. Turn around and let's stop. Now make a second curve. Turn around and let's stop. Superb! You did it very well. Now rest you have to do by yourself independently. Yes, my little heroes, you have done it very well. Now turn the page softly. Now we are on page 14. Over here what we have to do? We have to trace and write number. Yes, this is number 6. First you have to put your pencil on the top, drag it down, make a slant line, take a curve and meet to the end. Similarly, you have to do this. Start from here, come down, make a curve and come to an end. Good job! After tracing, ask your mom that put dot over here if you find any difficulty. Now drag your pencil down, turn around, make a curve and come to an end. Similarly, you have to complete these two lines, keeping in mind that number 6 should be in the box. After doing this, you have to color 6 cupcakes. How many cupcakes? 6 cupcakes. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7. But we have to color 6 cupcakes. Good job. I know you are getting it very well and doing your work with heart. Now after 6, the next number is number 7. Now put your pencil on the top and make a straight line. And then drag it down. Put your pencil on the top, make a straight line and drag it down. Straight line, drag it down. After doing this, you have to write by yourself. Straight line, drag it down. So 6, 7. We have done 2 numbers. Over here we have donuts. Now let's count how many donuts are there. We have to color how many donuts? Yes, 7 donuts. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to color 7 donuts. How many donuts? 7 donuts. Great! You are going very well. Keep it up. Now we have done number 6, number 7 What comes up after number 7? Yes, it's number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. Okay. Okay, there is. Well, my smart learners, you know very well that what comes after 7. Yes, it's number 8. Now put your pencil on the top, make a left curve slowly, then come down and make a right curve, turn around and slowly go up and stop. Similarly, you have to do this. Starting from here, make a left curve, then you have to make a right curve, turn around, turn around, slowly go up and then stop. Good job.
My cute flowers, number 8 has been done for you. And you have to do number 6 and number 7 similarly on page number 14. So, every day, my little ones, you are becoming smarter. Keep learning and have a great weekend. Fi Amanillah.